fam, so we just got to Daniel's Donuts. It was a long hour drive for these midnight snacks, if you know what I mean. So yeah, we're just getting midnight snacks. Daniel's Donuts is basically the closest thing we have to New Zealand donuts and New Zealand pies over here. So yeah, so they sell pies, they do milkshakes, iced coffees, well from what I know the last time we came, donuts, and yeah, so that's about it. So yeah, I thought I'd wear my new Puma top. It looks blue but it's actually green, but yeah, I can't wait. With the Auntie B, I'll just let her yawn first. Oh no. Yeah, so you can imagine the drive back. Lucky I don't have my license yet.
Drive legally, guys. Illegally.
I can't even drive. I can't even drive reverse. We love Papa Joe's, so there's stores around here. About to eat now, guys. It's like midnight at the moment. Yeah. The bun's so nice and soft. It's so good, man. I usually don't like it when they heap of jam, but it tastes nice when after you haven't had it for a long time. Ignore the background.
Steak, cheese, and New Zealand.
I like eating these because they're like a light snack. It's not like eating chips and stuff.
Fluffy. Why don't you? I nasi dia.
I love when they put heaps of icing sugar. Like in India, I used to always lick the icing sugar off, and then I didn't want to eat it because there's no more icing sugar on it.
So it's a bit firmer.
What do you mean?
The bread was a bit harder. I didn't extra small.
It's nice and fluffy.
I don't like that. It was always sure you ate nothing.
Oh, Coke hits you right in the chest. Oh. Can't explain to y'all how good these donuts are. Me and my mom just sassed it. We have 3 each, not too hungry, but it fills you up. If I was really hungry, I would have sassed like a dozen of these, but yeah. So guys, go check Daniel's Donuts out. There's one in, if you're in Melbourne, there's one in I think Hoppers Crossing, and the other one in where did we go? Springvale. So yeah, I think they're open 24 hours. Open 24 hours. There's usually a long line, like especially when it first opened, but it's getting
Still
better.
new.
Yeah, still a long line. But that just goes to show how good they are. Don't forget to check them out, guys. Thank you guys for watching our little mukbang and our 2-hour drive to get some midnight snacks. How crazy is that? To think we used to just go like 2 minutes down the road to get these kind of snacks, but what can you do?
Time now.
Yeah. The time's 12:22. Very late, but it's well worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, smack that subscribe button, comment down below, and don't forget to click on the bell to get notifications of when I'm posting videos. Ka kite ano.